fund revenue measures, contain expenditures, use other areas like PPP, for instance, public-private partnerships, so that we are still able to do our development while at the same time not carrying a lot of debt. And so this is why you see this discussion around taxes and raising taxes. It's time to review these taxes and see which ones could we review, which one could we increase, which one could we reduce. And I would only say there will be gains and there will be losers, but overall we need to take some pain as Kenya in order to take our country to the next level, because we really cannot afford to continue borrowing. I can tell you that debt is a big constraint, and I think we need to discipline ourselves out of debt. And so my minister will be there for presenting a proposal that has taken all that into account. But we are aware that Kenyans are expectant of, given the promises that were made by this government. From where I sit, I think I see hope. I'm very confident that over the medium term, we will do well.
And Daktari, just from the final statement that you've made, it will be a bit painful for Kenyans, but it will get better in the long run. And we need to fund this budget using taxes and not debt. Maybe in that sense,